Hey, what's up guys, it's me Clyde again. I'm gonna show you a video of what I did to test out the Audioque Aq3500D.1 amp that I just got from Zachstat in Michigan. I ordered them off of eBay, and then now I'm testing it out. What I'm doing is testing it out of this Shuriken battery right here. Shuriken, that SKBT75 AGM battery Shuriken. Got the negative there, sky-high car audio, twisted 0 gauge, running off of that Scorpion Scorpion T block. Negative to that, and then just some generic brand wire zone wire, 0 gauge wire, with way thinner than that sky-high car audio wire. But going to the other negative, and you got the positive here, going to the T block again, positive going to that positive, and then from that going to the other positive. And I got the I was running right here sky-high car audio 12 gauge speaker wire, 2 of them twisted together for the remote, so I can touch them to the positive to turn it on. And I got that multimeter hookup. Not sure how to test it with a multimeter, but I just trying to look at the numbers. And right now I got them set at amps, 20 milliamps, I guess, 20 am. I'm not sure, is that reading 20 milliamps, I guess. But a direct current. So right now I'm gonna touch it to the positive power, and let's see what he got. 3.16, negative 3.16, and you see here power lights on. Okay, when I take the off, and you hear the clicking noise, must be like a relay in there, because when I disengage the remote, the relay clicks inside of the amp and it goes back down to 0. Earlier I had it touching to the power, and I had it set to ohms, and the protect light came on. So I'm guessing that if I go and test resistance, probably that triggers the red protection light on there to go on, because I had it touching I had the remote touching to the power, and then I had it set to 200 ohms, and then the red power protection light was on the amp. Then I moved it back to direct current voltage, and then the green power light went back on. So I guess you can't test it that way. It'll go into protect mode by testing resistance when you turn it on. I guess you cannot check resistance because it'll trigger that remote light. But anyway, checking to see if it powers up and stuff. Make sure this amp isn't blown, since I just got it, so I can get the eBay buyer protection. But let's try again. Touch it to the power, and you're going to hear the clicking of the relay. Right there, you heard that click. The relay clicked on. The green power light is on. And you got 3.20, negative 3.20 amps. Milliamps or whatever. It's on M. It's on 20 amps, so I'm guessing 20 milliamps. But you got a reading there, so. And you got the green light power, so you know it's working. Then you remove that, and the clicking went off again, and you went back down to 0, 1, 0, nothing. So I'm guessing it's good to go. I'm guessing this amp is good to go. Now I better disconnect everything before drawing too much power and kill the battery, probably. I'm not sure, but not even running anyway, just to test it. But now we know it works, and now we gotta hook up the wire. We gotta hook this up to the subs when I got them on Friday. They're gonna build the box. Build a box inside the trunk of my Oldsmobile 88 car. It's gonna be built for it's gonna be built for C2 Audio Threatcon 4 dual 2 ohms subs. Gonna be wired at 1 ohm off of this Audioque Aq3500D.1, so it's gonna be pushing it at 4,300 RMS. So it's going to be roughly about 1,000 watts per sub. Just under the rated power. The sub is rated at 1,500 RMS per sub, but it's going to be running at just about 1,000 watts per sub, since this amp is only 4,300 watts RMS at 1 ohm. Now if I had gone ahead and bought the other amp that I wanted to get from this guy out in Las Vegas, Nevada, from CarAudioClassifieds.com for $500, and I would have two of these amps. I would have had. Then I would have MLT them. Then I'll probably get 8,600 watts of them. 4,300 watts times 2, 8,600 watts at 2 ohm load. Then we get about about a little over 2,000 watts per sub would be pushing if I had the 2 amps together, but it'd be good for now. It's be good. We slamming in my car off of that brand new C2 Audio Threatcon 4s that they just built. Just got them built yesterday, and they had like about maybe 10 or 15 boxes or more that they was shipping out to I think it was Kaizen Auto Sound or something like that out in South America. Car audio is big out, I guess, out in South America, and a lot of people buying the C2 Audio subs, so going like crazy out there, selling like crazy out in South America. But anyways, yeah, that was a test. See if it works. One more time. Let's give it one more shot. One more shot before we go. Okay, I'm gonna go to positive. You hear the clicking sound as a relay, I guess. And you got the green light, so that's power on. And you got 3.09 milliamps. And you take it off. That clicking sound, you released, the relay released, and then 0. So we're good to go. It works. Okay guys, still just a test, testing out this amp to see if it really works before I'm gonna have to, if it didn't work, then I would have to contact the Zachary Stat, whatever I bought them from in Michigan, and then I'm gonna have to probably file a complaint with eBay, buyer protection, and get my money back and all that stuff. But anyways, it works. So okay guys, that's it. Well, my next video is gonna be after I get everything all the box build, and then the subs in there and everything, and then I'm gonna videotape it. It's gonna be Friday and Saturday roughly, and I guess I'm gonna hook up the amps and stuff myself, but they're gonna just do the box build. The amps I'm gonna probably mount them myself and just hook it up, because it's pretty simple to do, rather than paying somebody to install it when I can do it myself. Just the main thing is just I get the box in the car with the subs, and then I can just wire the battery, mount the battery, and then I'll wire it up, mount the battery, the amp, the SL to the box, and just wire it up, connect it, put it the same way I got it there. I'm to be running that, and then the other battery from the engine compartment, the Stinger battery, I'm gonna go into that and all that. So pretty simple. Just gotta get it mounted and all that, and I can do it myself. And then you gotta go take a test run, see how it does. I'm gonna probably go to the park Hopefully nobody's at the park. If not, I'm gonna have to drive somewhere and look for a park or someplace where I can test out the sounds without having a cops come around and giving me a ticket for loud music and stuff. But yeah, guys, guess that's it for today. So stay tuned for my next video, and then yeah, this is Clyde here signing off. See you later. Okay, guys, next time.